Today we're going to show you how to make icons with Canva. Now this is going to be a pretty easy tutorial. So is all you need is a new logo. Let's start with this. Now you can upload any icon, but if you use Make Your Blitz, this is what you do. First, you go on Google and you pick whatever background you make sure you don't have the watermarks. Same as icon. I mean same as the last video that I showed you. This is a different video like this. And then you get this. And you can place a hat, make sure it's centered. I'm gonna delete this. There we go. And you get a hat like this, and you can pick any hat you want, make it goofy, whatever. But make sure you use background remover. I'll send you the link of background remover. And that's how you make an icon. Make sure you go on share, download, like this, and click on download. And I already have it on my Roblox. So that's how you make an icon. For icon, it could be anything you dream of. But this is actually great to put on Robux for PNG if this doesn't work. You could do like this, put Robux here and put grow a garden and you just that's it, you're done. But you can put wherever you want on your icon. It's your imagination, not mine. Or you could do one for Fortnite if you're a Fortnite player. And I think I like this style. There we go. And do like this. There's Sailor Me. And you're having trouble, just make sure you go here and go on layers. You can move forward or you can go full you bring forward or you can go backwards like this. But don't take my ideas seriously because that's stealing. And that's how I make my icons. It could be like anyone you have on here. You could put a character and then put it on it. There's uh there's lots of ideas on here. And that's how you make your icon. Bye.